Hi, Mr. G. I'm back. Now what?
Welcome back, Kenny.
So, I got the ashes on my forehead.
You did?
I look like I got smacked by a charcoal grill.
But do you know what it means?
It means I should probably wash my face.
It means we remember that we are human and that we belong to God through baptism.
Oh, so it's not just a fashion statement?
No, it's a reminder that we are forgiven and loved.
And now what do we do?
Lent is a time for prayer, giving, and growing in faith.
So, like a spiritual workout?
Exactly.
Can I lift faith weights?
Maybe just small steps.
Okay, so what's our plan?
We'll talk about that in our next episode.
So, what do we do during Lent?
Next time, we'll break it down. Prayer, fasting, and helping others.